This is the Edit in Excel tutorial. It will cover editing the projects in Excel. Being able to edit the project in Excel is one of the program's most powerful features. Valuation is not an exact science, and there will always be times you'll need to either understand how a calculation is performed or change the way a calculation is performed or something is displayed. Editing Excel allows you to do all of this and more. To edit the project in Excel, you can either select the Toolbar button or select the Edit Directly in Excel menu option. When you select the option, you'll see an Edit in Excel warning dialog. It warns you not to edit the financial statement worksheets to alter the structure. In other words, if you change the rows and columns in the financial statements of the program, you'll very likely corrupt the financial statements. So, although we encourage you to edit the format and style of the financial statements, please do not edit the structure. Everywhere else in the program, you're free to edit the structure of the spreadsheets. Once the program is open in Excel, you can use Excel to view formulas, change formats, or do anything else you would normally do in Excel. Notice at the bottom there's tabs that give you access to the entire workbook. Since the workbook is large, it might be easier to go back to the program, use the navigator to find the schedule you want to edit, and hit Edit in Excel again. It's easier than sifting through hundreds of schedules on the tabs at the bottom. There's an Edit in Excel toolbar that appears when you edit in Excel. There's a return button that will allow you to return to the program. There's a sheet option that will allow you to show all cells, in other words, show every row and column, or show the same as in the program. If you show the same as in the program, you'll see only the same view that the program displays. You can go back to Show All Cells. This will show you very quickly what will be displayed in the program. You'll also see that columns A through J and rows 1 through 10 are used by the program. Do not use any of these rows and do not insert any rows or columns between these. It will affect how the program operates. Let's insert a couple of rows in this schedule. Assume you wanted to make the business address a couple of lines longer. Select the rows to insert, select Insert, select Rows, and you'll notice the rows are inserted. We can type address 2, address 3, address 4, and when we select Return to the program, you'll notice this appears in the schedule in the program. You'll notice now that we're back in the program, the lines you added in Excel appear. It's transparent between Excel and the program. You can switch to the Excel user interface or the program user interface and you'll see the exact same thing. There is one note of caution. The workbook is very complicated and there's a lot of tabs. Make sure that you know what you're doing before you make big changes to the program. If you need help, call our technical support department. As we said at the beginning of this tutorial, you can change the format of the financial statements, but we encourage you not to change any of the structure. So go to the financial statements if you want to change the formats and select Edit in Excel. Once Excel opens with the financial statements, you can make whatever formatting changes you'd like. For example, if you want to add dollar signs to the numbers, highlight the numbers that you want to add dollar signs to, bring up the cell formatting dialog, and select currency. When you select OK, you'll see the numbers now have dollar signs. You can also change underlines, colors, fonts, etc. When we return to the program, you'll see the numbers that you changed have dollar signs in the program as well. Remember, what you see in Excel is exactly the same thing as what you see in the program. There's 3 custom worksheets available in the program under Custom Worksheets on the Navigator. The easiest way to edit these is select the worksheet you want to edit and then select Edit in Excel. This is the end of the Edit in Excel tutorial.